what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Angie Monique. So for today's video, we just played in a little bit of makeup because I really do think I forgot how to do it. I think I did okay. But let's yap. If you want to know the products that I use to create this face, this is the video for you. Come on, let's go.
Yeah. You know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush.
Is this thing on? Tap, 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 tap. Is this thing working? Are we not too much. Y'all, I really think I forgot how to do my makeup. So let's do it together because it's been a minute, and yeah, let's see what we can come up with. As always, all the products will be listed down in the see, I ain't done this in so long, and no, I'm not editing it out. It will be in the description box below. I know. I forgot how to do this. No, seriously, I think I really have, but let's get into it. Eyebrows are done. I had to focus, but y'all know I hardly ever do my eyebrows on camera anyway, so yeah. We are going to start out with a primer. Nothing has changed. We're still going to go in with this e.l.f. Power Grip primer. As you can see, I still have a little, it looked like a whole tube. It's not a whole tube, but I ain't been doing nothing. I ain't been putting on no makeup. So yeah. I ain't been putting on no makeup, so this is just what's been going on. This is what's been going on. I do have a new serum that I want to try. This is a Yummy Skin Glow Serum. This is by danessamyricksbeauty. This is a hydrating and priming face serum base. I did get the shade Juice Boost, and then of course I'm going to pair it with my favorite Skin Tint by her, which is in the shade 12. Nothing has changed with this, but this is new, so we're going to see what these look like. Have never tried her. I've seen her on TikTok, and I love, you know, how juicy it makes the face look. So yeah, we gonna try it. Oh wait, okay, let's go with it. Smells really good. And it blends really nicely, so yeah. How y'all been doing? Cause your girl is over here thriving, making necessary adjustments with life, regular schmegular stuff. Nothing too crazy. Still in good health. Just getting better every day. That's all we can ask for. Take this down. And I probably shouldn't even put this much on my forehead. But like I said, baby, we learning because I ain't did this in a minute. I feel like it's been forever since I've done like a full face of makeup. I've been basically like a brow and gloss or lip oil and be out the door, because I don't really go nowhere but work and church. And baby, the way church has been kicking me in the butt the last few months, baby, there's no reason to wear makeup to church, because baby, yeah, it'd be pointless. So I just been, and I'm so grateful, so grateful. But yeah, church has just been doing this big one, and it's been really, really good. And then I don't wear makeup to work, because for what? Yeah. Okay, concealer, nothing has changed. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I use the shade Deep Chestnut, and then I also use the shade Deep Caramel. So I just blend both of these together and let it do what it do. I'm trying to see if there anything else that what do we do? Yeah, we do concealer. A thingamajig, a blending, a sponge. I need that. Hold on. Y'all thought I was playing. I was dead ass seriously. Like, I slick forgot. Deep Chestnut first. Y'all, my baby is about to go to high school. What is life? Time waits for nobody. It waits for nobody. My baby is about to be in high school. Lord help me. I'm just prepping my powder. I'm going to try and mix a little bit of my translucent honey and my Laura Mercier medium deep powders together. So that's what we gonna do. So we're gonna blend this out. I am going to take it on my eyelid. Yeah, I think we used to do that, so we're gonna continue to do that. And then I'm going to set it. Yeah, we're gonna set it. Let's go. I do like that that glow serum though. But of course, danessamyricksbeauty, when does she ever miss? Like, when does she ever miss? I love that. So I feel like there's something on this sponge. Okay, let's continue. So far so good. I think y'all let me know down in the comment section below, baby. Are we going left? Cause y'all know I stick to what I know. Like, so what we looking like? Not too shabby? Okay, let's see it. Set the eyelid as well. Sit up here. I feel like something going on right here. I'm gonna put some more powder right there. And then down here. And then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skinfinish and dust away the excess powder and then powder everywhere. Baby, it's hot. I got my fan on, but baby, it's back there. Need to bring it a little closer. Okay. I feel like we might be cooking. Maybe, because still, you just never know. Could be hit with a curveball any second of life. Literally. Alright. I am going to, what's this brush? Where that brush is? Okay, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take my Sephora Spice Market palette. Y'all remember her? Yeah, I'm going to take her. I'm going to take this bronzer shade. She still eats. Look like she still eats. Take some on the forehead. And then do the little trick down the nose, baby. Like that. That still gives. Y'all let me know. Okay. Not too shabby. I am going to take my Juvia's Place bronzer and just a blending brush. I'm going to take the top shade and just sweep that into the crease because I still am a very simple girl. And we just do the most, not the most, but we make the most out of the products. Like, just, yeah, this is easy. So just use it as an eyeshadow. We still doing good. We doing good. Y'all let me know, y'all, for real. Like, I have seen the new trends, all the liquid blushes, all the underpainting. That ain't for me. That's not something that I would do on an everyday basis. So yeah, I stick to the basics, and sometimes that's the best way to go. Just stick to the basics. You know. Yeah. Okay. All right. Throw on a little eyeliner. What is this? Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I'm pretty sure this is in the shade 0. Yeah, black. Just a little bit. Not too much. Not too much. You ain't gotta do too much. You ain't gotta do too much. A little blush. Nothing has changed. This is still the girl. She is Max Peach Twist. Really, really like her. Still like her. Yeah. Still like her. Take our powder brush and just mesh. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Okay. What else? Okay, I do have this. I am going to take a little bit of this. This is my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. This is in shade 310. Just take this on a little powder puff here, if you will. Just underneath the eye a little bit. With your powder puff. And then go back with your powder brush and just blend. Okay, I'm going to take this. This is my Airbrush Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. take her. And drench. Whew. Where is she? Okay. Y'all see them fans? See them fans? Where them fans at? Y'all, they be overdoing it sometimes, baby. Y'all know how long we've been popping fans? Wrap it up. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Y'all pop y'all fans. Y'all let the Lord use you. Pop your fans, baby. I ain't gonna stop you. Okay. Alright. Let's do a little lip. Let's wrap this up. I think we did all right. Let's do Chestnut by MAC. I think she's a good one. Okay, I am going to go in with, what is this? I got Honey Waffles up here. I got Gloss Bomb Heat and Fenty Glow Heat. They just look a little too spicy for me. But let me see what else I got. Hold on. Okay, I ain't really got a whole bunch of options. Like nothing, just this screaming. Go for that. So I guess I'm gonna take a little bit of this Fenty Glow Heat. Like I said, it's a little too spicy for my liking, but I'm just gonna dab a little bit on here because I do just on a simple lip. And I am going to take hold on, I want to get this off. I think okay, I think I want to try this. So this is a e.l.f. lip oil. I love the originals, like the ones with no shimmers, but for some reason I ain't been seeing them. So this is the Glow Reviver lip oil. This is the Glimmer Finish. I'm gonna try this. This is in the shade Super Girl, Super Neutral. Whatever. Okay. Okay, that's cute or whatever. Okay. All right. How do we do? Like a moment of silence. How do we do? No, for real, we can talk. How do we do? I don't think we did too bad. Is it perfect? No, but who's perfect? Yeah, we like not too shabby, Angela. Not too bad, girl. Come on. Round of applause. Round of applause. Okay, y'all. So this is the final result. I am loving it. And I don't think we did too bad. I don't think I forgot how to, you know, complete the basics. Okay, the basics, that's what we're gonna call them, the basics. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up, a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And y'all, I promise I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.